Can you believe that these videos were created for free without even using a car? And I'm about to show you guys in this video how to create these kinds of videos. First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and write the following prompt. Write image prompts of luxury cars so I can create images. Please make them in detail and colorful and clean. And here are our image prompts. Now we're going to just copy the image prompt that we want. We chose the first one. Then go on Leonardo AI. Then click on Create New. And then we're going to paste our image prompt that we created on ChatGPT. Make sure you choose Leonardo Phoenix 1.0 for your fine-tuned model. And for your image dimensions, make sure you choose 9:16. And then click on Generate. And keep in mind, Leonardo AI does give you 150 free daily tokens for you guys to use every single day to create images and videos, so definitely take advantage of them and use them every single day. And here's how our image looks like. Convert our picture into a video, click on motion, then keep the motion strength to 3 and then click on generate. I don't know why the video took so long to load, so I just had another video, so I'm going to just show you that one. So this is the video that we have. To download the video, click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner. And I did the same steps that I showed you. Since we do have the Leonardo AI watermark, we're just going to remove it on our camera roll. Then go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI. You can also add transitions in between the pictures and videos, as you can see. And you can also add text. All you need to do is click on the add text button and write anything that you like. And we're just gonna type luxury cars so you guys know how it looks like. And you can also change the style or color of the text. And once you're done with your video, all you need to do is click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner to download your video, and then you're ready to post.